When it comes to paraphrasing tools, two names that often pop up are Copy.ai and Quillbot. But which one actually delivers better paraphrasing features? Stick around because we're diving deep into both, and by the end, you might be surprised at which one I recommend. First up, Copy.ai. Known for its powerful AI content generation capabilities, Copy.ai can paraphrase sentences with ease. It uses advanced algorithms to help you create variations of your text, giving you a fresh spin without losing meaning. However, while it's great for creative tasks, its paraphrasing abilities can sometimes feel a little rigid. It doesn't always offer the depth or the natural-sounding output that you'd expect when you want more than just a rewording of a sentence. Plus, sometimes the content feels a bit too formulaic, especially if you're trying to rephrase longer or more complex passages. Next thing, Quillbot. Quillbot is often regarded as one of the best paraphrasing tools out there, especially when it comes to maintaining the context of the original text. Quillbot offers a variety of modes, from standard to fluency and even formal tones, making it adaptable for different needs. It tends to deliver smoother and more readable results than Copy.ai, especially when you're working with more intricate phrasing. The tool is designed to understand nuances, so the rephrased text doesn't feel too mechanical. That said, Quillbot isn't perfect. While it does a great job at offering alternatives, sometimes the sentence structures can be slightly off, and a manual tweak might still be necessary to make it sound just right. The third thing is speed. Copy.ai typically processes text faster than Quillbot, and this might be important if you're working under tight deadlines. However, with speed often comes a lack of finesse, so while Copy.ai is quick, its paraphrasing can sometimes fall short of providing that nuanced, polished final product that Quillbot often does. Now, let's talk about integrations. Copy.ai supports a variety of tools like Google Docs and WordPress, making it convenient for those who want to seamlessly integrate paraphrasing with their content creation workflow. On the other hand, Quillbot also integrates with Google Docs, but its focus is primarily on providing a paraphrasing experience, so if you're just looking for a dedicated tool, Quillbot's streamlined process might be more appealing. The fourth thing is pricing. Copy.ai offers a subscription-based model with different tiers depending on how many credits you need. For smaller users, it might seem a bit expensive, especially if you don't use it often. Quillbot, on the other hand, has a free version with limited features, but the premium version is very affordable and offers a lot more control over the rephrasing process. If you're just looking for a straightforward paraphrasing tool, Quillbot's free plan might be enough, but the premium version unlocks even more powerful features. So, which one is better? Honestly, both have their strengths and weaknesses. Copy.ai is great for quick content creation, but when it comes to paraphrasing, Quillbot seems to offer more natural, varied options with its advanced modes. If you're serious about getting your text to sound fresh while maintaining clarity and meaning, Quillbot is probably the better choice. However, after trying both of these myself, if you're looking for a tool that takes paraphrasing to the next level, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description. This tool provides even more advanced features, and through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Remember, while both Copy.ai and Quillbot are solid options, if you want a more polished and customizable paraphrasing experience, it's worth exploring this alternative. So, don't forget to check out the link below for a free trial you won't find anywhere else.